You all have clicked this video to see why you should aim for 40 plus in your CA inter exams. Aren't you all ashamed to actually aim for 40 plus, 50 plus? No, you all were the students in school who were aiming for centum. 90 plus, 95 plus, you all were those students. And in this video, I'm going to talk about why you should not aim for just 40 plus. Now let me tell you, 40 plus, even if you get in all the subjects, you are not going to be successful, yes or no? So should I aim for 50 plus, ma'am? No. You aim for the sky. At least you will land in the trees, is what I tell all my students. What happened? What happened to the child who was actually aiming for centum, who was actually aiming for 95? What happened to him? Now you just think for 1 second. You are just aiming itself for survival. That itself shows your defeat. Please go beyond the bare minimum, guys. The bare minimum is passing with getting 50 plus in all papers. Don't even aim for that. Only if you aim for 70 plus, you will be able to study for 60 plus, and when you write the exam, you can get 50 plus and pass. But if you aim itself in a very, very bare minimum way, then how much will the marks come? I don't even want to comment about all of those things. Please, guys, raise your standards. It's high time you actually start raising your standards. I understand your seniors, your friends, they all would have told you passing in CA is so difficult. They would have told you getting 40 in CA is so difficult. That does not explain as to why you have stooped so low to the bare minimum. You cannot do this. You have to, I plead all of you all. You have to aim for 70 plus, and with your efforts, it is definitely possible. Do not make the mistake of aiming itself for 40 and 50. No, if you land there, I'm not saying I have a problem with that. If you land at 50, it's well and good, you have passed. But aiming for 40s and 50s, no, guys, I am not for that. I want you all to aim for 70 plus. Aim for 80 plus if that is possible. Do it. You will definitely be there. You will definitely clear the exams if you're going to keep the aim so high. So please, guys, at least now after this video, I want you to have a shift of your mindset and start aiming higher and start believing that it is possible. It is possible by you. I am telling you today.